They were playing push the button. Push the button. Ah yes, isn't it wonderful? Collect it before anyone else does. Where is it? On the front of it. No! Oh, diamond. Yay, I win too! Is missing an ingredient. Take it back to the cake. I would like to push the button. Oh, it's a parkour course. It's everything. Yeah. Okay, sorry, I got the hiccups. I don't know what to do. Ooh, cake! Yum, 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 yum.
Yummy, 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 yummy,
Yummy.
yummy.
The lever is hiding in the bushes.
Yummy, yummy,
First person?
yummy.
Nope. 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 Nah. What? Excuse me. Oh, this is easy. Everyone else is too big of a noob.
Yummy,
Oh.
yummy, yummy.
Nah. No, me? No. Why can I not open it? Wait, there we go. That took forever. I'm like, what am I supposed to do? Oh, I guess that was... No, let me press it! Whoa, okay,
Slap, 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 clap, 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 slap, slap, slap.
Leave me alone, Baldy.
Slap, slap, slap.
Okay, so, in America, you guys talk about football. We talk about rugby. Go do a little bit of research on it. It's a really fun sport. I never play it because, you know, it's kind of difficult.
Yummy.
But I just want you guys to know, every Friday I will have a fun video, like time to...
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
What if you have an auto clicker? Girl, what are you doing? All of us are just clicking and the one girl is just not. Thumbs up. Let's see what the results are. Come on! The button has been... Oh, that's a good one. Yes. Watch out. Boulders are coming. Okay. Into the tiny hole. Okay. Time to spam click the button.
Nom, 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 nom.
What if you have an auto click? Like, what then? Okay, I'm not clicking. Okay, just keep on going, just keep on going. Let's see what the results are. 100 times! Wow! Okay, next one. Let's go. Press the button. Ducks are falling. Yay. Oh, you need to collect the ducks. Oh, duck. No! Duck, come on. Come on. I got a duck. Where are the ducks? Okay. Got another duck. Got another duck. No, I missed my duck. What? No, I keep on missing. What's in the shop? No, okay, there's nothing that can help. No, I'm just... Yeah. 3. 8 ducks? Is that... Oh, of course it's you. I pressed the button. Escape the cave. This is easy. This is easy. Does that mean we can't go anywhere? Is that what happens when we die? Oh no, we made it to the end. Yeah, you're not making it. Lick it. Bruh. Got it. I pressed the button. Let's go. Get ready to push each other off with a blow dryer. Got it. What? Okay, I'm giving up. Let's go.